This is an easy homemade lasagna which is made with bread, so you don't need to go for any sheets for the lasagna sheets or anything. It's an easy recipe and such a tasty recipe. Just give it a try at home, and the kids and everyone around you will definitely love this. Give it a try and let me know. This is basically a very easy recipe of lasagna. So you should have tomato sauce, white sauce, some bread slices, veggies, grated cheese. That's all. And preparation is as simple as that. Only thing is you could make it into different parts. So you should prepare the white sauce. Then you should keep your veggies ready, stir fried veggies ready. That's all. Okay. So you need to heat a pan, put 3 tablespoons of butter, then add 3 tablespoons of maida to it and stir it really nicely till the raw smell goes off. And then add some oregano, some pepper and salt onto it. Stir really nicely and make it into boil and keep it aside. Then cut all the needed veggies. Make sure that you include garlic and mushrooms onto it. It'll give you a special taste. Then again heat the pan and then stir fry your vegetables and get it ready. And then grate your cheese and keep it ready. Then take any good variety of sandwich bread. Make sure you cut the sides of the bread and roll it using a chapati roller. Okay. And then by the time what you could do is heat a kadai, put some salt over to it. You can reuse the salt for many number of times basically, and close the lid. If the lid has some steamer to escape or a way to escape, then close it out. Okay, then next comes the layering of your lasagna, and that's a beautiful part and the enjoyable part which you have. So take a pan. You could either take the cake pan or you could take any ceramic kind of a pan, and then layer it with tomato sauce, then followed by the white sauce. Then keep the bread. So while keeping the bread, make sure that it's all the part is completely covered. So you could even slice it and put it, no problem. Then put the grated cheese, then the veggies, then come with the next layer of tomato sauce, then white sauce, then again bread. So you could make as many number of layers, doesn't matter, but make sure that the last layer should be the layer of the cheese, a high level of cheese, and just pour a little bit of red sauce here and there to make it beautiful when it comes out. Then put it in the kadai, the preheated kadai, or in the oven, and cook it for 7 to 8 minutes. This is homemade lasagna and it came out really well and it was so yummy. You should definitely give it a try. Thank you so much. Please let us know the comments about this and enjoy.